Starting to see at colleges across the country a growing number of positive cases among students.
That is a concern tonight at Texas A&M University, where more than a dozen cases have now been reported in multiple sororities. Channel 2's Rochelle Turner is live in College Station tonight, where 14 cases have now been confirmed. Rochelle?
That's right, and today the Vice President of Student Affairs addressed those 14 cases that are linked to those sororities. He says Texas A&M is working with Texas A&M ambassadors as well as Greek life leaders, county and health officials to make sure students and organizations comply with those guidelines that have been put in place by the CDC since this pandemic started. It's something that we all heard before, making sure you get approval if you're going to have a gathering of 10 or more, wearing a face mask, and of course, practicing social distancing. On Thursday, Texas A&M University confirmed there were 14 cases of the coronavirus linked to Kappa Kappa Gamma and Delta Delta sororities. The university says all fraternities and sororities are off campus. Vice President of Student Affairs, Dr. Daniel J. Pugh Sr., says the 14 students reported their COVID-19 results in the student portal.
Some of those who were positive, that we know now that were positive, did have occasion during an event of connecting with individuals within their chapter. And it's that exposure we're not certain about that created the issue.
Bid Day was held on Sunday, but Dr. Pugh says it's unclear when the students started to feel sick. The school says the sororities have been responsive and are following required steps.
Really is, how can we help you have an experience that you're trying to have here during a pandemic?
KPRC reached out to the city of College Station, who says any gatherings larger than 10 people have to be approved by the mayor. The city says Zeta Chi Alpha and Chi Omega were the only two sororities who applied and got approval. KPRC asked Dr. Pugh why the other sororities did not comply with the orders.
What I'd say is that will come out in our investigative process as we go deeper, because we will deal with these things as a conduct piece out of student organization, and we'll find out what their thinking was behind it and why that didn't comply.
And Dr. Pugh says there is a potential that these organizations could face penalties for violating COVID-19 guidelines. It's important to note that Texas A&M has about 250 isolation rooms somewhere around campus, and right now there are 16 students who are being quarantined. We'll be sure to keep you updated online and on air as we learn more about this developing story at clicktohouston.com. For now, reporting live at Texas A&M in College Station, I am Rochelle Turner, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Rochelle.